Okay guys, I pulled up all the 6-point problems from practice test 4 to go through those first. It's all solving for triangles. So the first, there's 2 of them that are right triangles. Then we have 2 law of cosines and a law of sines in here. So our first one, it says use the right triangle and the given information to solve the right triangle. They give us little b, they give us angle b, and they want us to find little a, little c, and big A. So notice it's a right triangle. If you have a right triangle, you do not need to use the law of sines or the law of cosines. Go back to your basic trig. So the first thing they have us solving for is little a. So when I solve for little a, I'm going to use the information given. So I have this angle and this side, and I want to solve for a. So I'm going to use the tangent of this angle. So the tangent of b is opposite over adjacent, or tangent of 21 is 9 over a. I rearrange my equation and I get that a equals 9 over the tangent of 21. So when I plug that into my calculator, a is 23.45. The biggest mistakes I've noticed on these is just watch how many decimals they want to, watch the rounding. Okay, now we want C. I like to use the given information if I can. That way, if I made an error somewhere else, I'm not going to miss all 3 parts of the problem. So when I solve for C, they gave me this angle and this side, and I'm going to solve for C. So I'm going to use sine. Sine of 21 is 9 over C. I rearrange, solve for C. And it should be the longest side. It's my hypotenuse. So just make sure whenever you plug it in the calculator, you get a side that's longer than A and B, and I get 25.11. Now for my angle A, all I'm going to do is use that my angles add to 180. This is 90, this is 21, so I just do 90 minus 21, and I get that angle A is 69 degrees. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to do some law of sines and law of cosines next and keep the videos nice and short.